I want to show you guys how to save. Let's say you did a Twitch broadcast and you want to save, you want to put it on YouTube or Facebook. That's fine because you can tell, but you first have to tell Twitch to save your video. If you broadcasted last week, it ain't saved. So this is how you tell Twitch to save it. So you click on your profile on the top right. You're going to go to Creator Dashboard, hit Creator Dashboard. Then you're going to come down to Settings. Click on Settings. Click on Stream. So you're going to go Settings, Stream. And later. All right, right here, VOD settings, video settings, store past broadcasts. You have to turn this on. This is off by default. So, and you only have 7 days to download it unless you're an affiliate. So you got 7 days. All right, so you got a couple recordings and you want to down. Now you can edit them in Twitch. I'll do that in another video, but let's say, you just want to download them for now. So you're going to go to your Creator Dashboard again. And you're going to click on, so now you're in Stream Manager. So anyway, come down to Content because you want to get your content, right? So you click on Content. You're going to go to Video Producer. And you're going to just click on the right dots and boom, you're going to hit Download. That's it. So then you're going to go to Download. It's preparing. It's going to take a while. But all right, there you go. Like and subscribe.